Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would show you a video of my altar that is decorated for Mabon. So start at the front, and here we have some feathers that I picked up while I was working outside. Then I have this selenite, I think it is, it's a palm stone. These were gifted by my son and daughter when they went to Devon. And my Ganesha statue. Then I have a broomstick still in the wrapper. It's just like a little altar decoration. I have a crow in the back, my cauldron behind there. I have a statue of Bridget. Then I have a box just full of different autumn things, orange peels, pumpkins, acorns, stuff like that I got in a box from a range. I have my what it's called, my cup. Then I have another pebble that was from Devon. Here I have some agstones that I found on the beach. This is a necklace that's an acorn and it opens up. A conker that I found years ago and it's still there. Some pebbles that I picked up on the beach a few years ago. The pumpkins are from the range. In there is some rose petals and some lavender. And I have a centerpiece candle there, my green man, my first book of shadows that I ever made, my god and goddess candle. The frame at the back did have a mirror but it come off, so I've just put that on there. It's made of mother crown. There I have a pot that's got my crystals and pendants in, and my pendulums. In the little bag at the back is some little tiny stones, crystals and things. Also my abalone shell and my sage smudge stick, and the box is just a box that I was given when my grandma died, and it was my great grandma's sewing box. So I just keep that on there with my crystals and stones in. So yeah, that is my altar, and the main statue there is also Bridget. So that is my main altar, and this stays in my bedroom in the corner where no one can touch it. As I've said before, I've got too many little hands that come into my home and just like to touch. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. It costs nothing to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. See you later.